This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Home Docks. This is a 5-tier rolling wire shelf unit. It looks like it's about 16 inches deep and about 2.5 feet wide. Just check the dimensions before purchasing. And it comes with the 5 shelves, all your legs, the wheels, and all of that good stuff. It should be fairly easy and straightforward to assemble. So we're going to go ahead and do that next and get this thing up. I'll show you the assembly process, and then we'll throw some things on it just to give you an idea of how much this will store. So let's go ahead and get started with the assembly. Alright guys, so there is the shelf, as you can see over here. Pretty tall. I've got 8-foot ceilings in the house, and it almost reaches to the top of these 8-foot ceilings. So if you're looking for something pretty, tall, then this is pretty substantial. If you have higher ceilings, then it's going to work even better because you can put big items on top. So what we're going to do is just kind of load it up with some stuff. I got plenty of stuff to load it up with, and we'll see what all it can hold. You can take the wheels off and have just feet, but I figured that y'all would want to see what the wheels do. They rotate around and roll. You can lock them, and it won't go anywhere. 2 of the 4 wheels lock, so yeah. So overall, pretty good. Pretty good little shelf for what you need. Pretty easy to assemble as well, and if you need to take it down and move it, it doesn't really take up a lot of space either. So we're going to throw some stuff on it, just let you see what it looks like with some items on it, and go from there. So there you go guys, we got a lot of room on here. As you can see, big boxes. I'll get y'all a little bit closer so that y'all can see this. But yeah, so bottom shelf here, big boxes all the way up to the top. And we got plenty of room for things, more things to put on here as well. So that's really nice. Again, if you're looking to store boxes, maybe food supplies, you never know what you might need. This right here is going to do what you need it to do, hopefully. So as you can see, assembly was fairly easy. It probably took about 15 minutes or so at the most to put all this together, and then putting all the boxes and whatnot on, putting all the stuff. I just wanted to show you the sheer amount of stuff that this thing right here will hold. It holds a lot for sure. So I do appreciate y'all watching this product review. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you're looking for a rolling storage shelf, or one that you just want to keep in a certain spot that can hold a decent amount of weight, then you should be ready to go with this Home Docks wire shelf. Again, not too heavy when it's empty, easy to disassemble and transport if you have to as well. I appreciate y'all watching this product review. Thanks again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Take care.